on. And the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bring them to the wake, break them with a requiem and throw them in the pit and throw a little bit of dirt on them. Put a little dirt on them.
Get ready for the newest Aegis, our most daring, striking and powerful gaming desktop. The new Aegis models are powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel Core processors combined with the latest RTX graphics. This gives you unparalleled processing power with the highest gaming performance and lifelike visuals utilizing ray tracing even with 4K. Crank up your FPS and game quality and experience a smooth victory. For maximized cooling, our latest and improved silence for cooling comes to play with different cooling chambers. To finish it off, there's a brand new silent and powerful liquid cooling for the CPU and a dedicated fan for the VRM on the back of the motherboard. The Aegis also comes with a first-of-its-kind gaming knob with a display. You'll benefit from real-time system monitoring, starting up your favorite games with the best pre-configured gaming profiles, or even switch between system performance modes. When it comes to connectivity, the Aegis is future-proof and provides you with the fastest options, including a 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6. The Aegis is daring and an eye-catcher equipped with a fully customizable RGB Mystic light. And for the best audio experience, Audio Boost is on board, letting you experience true hi-fi sound. Want to know more? For all other features and information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.